Hey everyone, today we are making a super fresh and creamy coconut pudina chutney. So here what we need: coconut, mint leaves, curry leaves, green chili, garlic and ginger. Now into the blender add 1 cup of grated coconut. Then 2 to 3 green chilies. Small pieces of ginger, 8 to 9 curry leaves, garlic, some coriander, half cup of mint, add salt and little water. Now we blend this to a smooth chutney. For extra flavor, add a quick tempering of mustard seed and curry leaves. One of my absolute favorite side dishes for idli, dosa, upma, appam or even sandwiches. It takes just 5 minutes to prepare this recipe. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more simple and delicious recipe.